Hey guys, here's a couple little goodies I picked up for my Adler lever action shotgun. Got a lucky 13 6-shell holder, aluminium, lightweight, to go on the side there. Also picked up this Streamlight picatinny rail mounted little flashlight. Very beautiful. 800 lumens. Should be awesome at night time. And I also got this Centermass laser. Normally made for pistols, but it fits on the shotguns as well. It's only bloody tiny. And the laser grows just pretty much like a pattern of a shotgun. So that'll be on there as well. So subscribe and stay tuned for some more vids when I build this baby up. See you guys.